So, hey, I was thinking about that stuff with Alex.
Oh, would you stop worrying about that?
I can't help it. But look, I figured I could sit around and feel insecure, or I could do something about it. So I got a course catalog at school and looked at some of the science classes.
That's great.
No, it isn't. They are extremely boring. I mean, how do you not kill yourself, like, every day? Anyway, I decided I don't need to be a scientist. I could just look like one. So I bought these.
Glasses? I really don't think that's going to change. Oh, my God, you look so smart now.
I know, right? Watch this. Molequles.
Okay, come with me.
Where are we going?
To my bedroom so I can take everything off but those glasses. And maybe the boots.